sitting by the fire. My grandma told your grandma, I'm gonna set your flag on fire. Talk about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, I nay. Oh, Chagamafia, I nay. Chagamafia, if you want some really good ribs, I go, I need. Going down the way to Mr. Bibbs, I go, hey now, hey now, hey now, I go, I need. Oh, Chagamafia, I need. Chagamafia, Chagamafia, I need. That's right. Ooh. Kevin, we need more keyboards here. Pull back your high end. Check, check. Is that better? Check, check. Yep, check. Is that better for you out there? Okay. Check, check, check. Yeah. Well, I pulled it back the level of the harmony. So, check. Woo, woo, woo.
I think that if you're in, that sounds good.
So if I can get the keyboards louder for me, Kevin. Yeah, thanks.
Special. I'm special. It's very special man. There you go. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Guelph Ribfest, brought to you by the 50 members of the Rotary Club of Guelph Trillium and over 200 volunteers. So thanks for coming, spending your Saturday afternoon with us. There's no rain in those clouds, I've been promised. So enjoy your afternoon. Please remember there's 50-50 tickets available at the volunteer tent at the north end of the park. Last year the price was just short of $4,000, so if you'd like to chance at that, please go buy a ticket. The bar is open in about, well, they might even be open now. But please drink responsibly and remember to take a cab, take an Uber, do whatever the right thing is to get home safely. So to start us off with some great entertainment this morning, we have Sandy McDonald and Bluesynergy. Take it away, guys.
All right, thanks.